Welcome guys. In today's video I will be discussing about the Java implementation of the ADF GVX cipher decryption part. So without any further ado, let me jump into the video. So this is the Java implementation of the ADF GVX cipher. Inside the program, first of all I imported the java.util.star module, and inside the public class ADF GVX cipher decryption, inside the public static void main, I had declared the scanner instance of the class as SC, and I had taken the input of encrypted text from the user and stored it inside the string variable dcpt. I had also taken the input of key from the user and stored the same inside the string variable key. Then I had invoked the decrypt function, passing the strings dcpt and key as parameters. So now let us have a look at the decrypt function. Inside the decrypt function, I declared two character arrays, key1 and dcpt1. Also I declared 4 array lists. The first one is of type character, having the name pos2. The second one is of type integer, having the name poskeyLE. The next two ones are of type character, having names pos3 and intermediate text respectively. Now inside the first for loop, I attempted to store the characters present inside the key in alphabetical order, and simultaneously I also stored the positions which they occupy in the key inside the array list having the name poskeyLE, and the alphabetical arrangement of the characters present inside key are stored inside the array list pos2. Now coming to the next one, I had initialized the integer counter as 0, and basically this code snippet here is going to help us in mapping in the latter part of the code. I will explain you the working in the latter part. For the timing, let us come on to this for loop. In this for loop, we are basically going to store the pairs according to the fashion in which they are arranged in the key in their alphabetical order. So if you want more clarity on this, you can watch the general video in which I described the ADF GVX cipher. I described both the encryption as well as the decryption algorithms in that video. And then these two for loops are going to help us in making the intermediate text. This is the tableau, which is the 2x2 character array, and this is the index. It is the character array where we have the elements of the ADF GVX cipher. By making use of this index, we are going to get the plain text. So suppose we have one intermediate text, and after getting that intermediate text, we are interested in finding out the plain text according to the norms of the ADF GVX cipher decryption. So for that we will be using this code snippet here for making the plain text. So after getting the intermediate text, we will be dividing the characters into pairs. The first pair, the second pair, third pair, and so on. For each of the pairs, the first character is going to give us the row equivalent, and for each of the pairs, the second character is going to give us the column equivalent. After mapping the row as well as the column, we will be searching the corresponding character of the plain text. So suppose for one pair we have the first character as A and the second character as F. So if you can visualize the matrix, the intersection point of the row and the column will give us the character of the plain text. So after getting that character, we are going to store that character inside the plain text array, which I declared here. And for all the remaining pairs of characters inside the intermediate text, we are going to do the same kind of mapping, and finally after completing the iteration, we are going to get our plain text. And after getting the plain text, we are going to show our progress. We are going to show the chronological order in which the steps had taken place in our program. So first of all, we are going to print the elements of the key in alphabetical order, then the positions of the alphabetically arranged key elements in the key itself, then the second intermediate text followed by the intermediate text. Finally, the plain text is going to get printed. So now let us run this and have a look at how it works. We are going to enter the encrypted text as this one. I commented this line. And the key will be German. So as you can see, the elements of the key in alphabetical order are printed here. It is basically the alphabetical arrangement of the characters which we have inside the string German. So A comes first, followed by E, then G, M, N and R. And the positions of the alphabetically arranged key elements in the key itself are going to be 4, 1, 0, 3, 5, 2. So as you can see inside the word German, A is occupying the 4th position. So G is occupying the 0th position, E first, R second, M third, and A is going to occupy the 4th, and followed by N, which is going to occupy the 5th. So as you can see, this is written like this. And then the intermediate text too. It is basically the text which we will get after performing the code snippet which I had described here. This one. And after getting the intermediate text too, the intermediate text is going to be generated by making use of the Tableau as well as the ADF GVX index. And finally, after decryption, we are going to get the plain text as hello. So this is how we are going to perform the ADF GVX cipher decryption in Java. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't watched my video in which I described the ADF GVX cipher as well as the history and algorithms involved in encryption and decryption, then you can go check that out. And also do check the Java implementation of the ADF GVX cipher encryption. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching my video this far. I hope you enjoyed it. Until I meet you next time in the fresh videos, stay safe, stay aware, remain happy, and don't forget to smash that red subscribe button and tell us in the comment section if you want any further improvisation from me or not in the upcoming videos. Until then, cheers, peace out.